voy a cantar, a las niñas por bonitas, a las viejas por viejitas y a mi amor por olvidar. Cuántas flores en el plan, cuántas aves en el cielo.
Our growing diversity is something to celebrate. That's what we're doing today. Something that enriches the lives of everyone in this state.
I'm not a politician. I'm not a politician, but I'm someone who believes deeply in this state and believes that we can do great things. But it's not going to be easy. We're going to have to work together. It's going to take rural and urban working together, Republicans, Independents, Democrats working together. And if we do, I believe we can do great things in this state.
In John's words, Oregon won't be a good place for anyone to live unless it's a great place for everyone to live.
What we're here about is actually providing services, as I said, financial services, education, through financial literacy. I think it's one of the areas that many citizens in this state, in this community, in the Willamette Valley Basin struggle with, is the financial during the economic crisis.
Thanks to the Salem Health team for the commitment to cultural diversity, and a special thanks to our Hispanic employees, many of them who are also pioneers, the first in their families to reach the goal of a healthcare career, and are among the unsung heroes in helping us connect personally and individually with the Hispanic community in the mid-Willamette Valley.
Remember, ladies and gentlemen, sisters and brothers, the words of the Apostle Paul. Sisters and brothers, the body is a unit. Though they are made up of many parts, and all of its parts are many, they form one body. So today, whether we are African American, Anglo, Asian, Native American, or Hispanic, remember always that we are one people, that we are one nation, and we comprise only one body. And let's recommit ourselves to working together to build a more civil and just society.
Sí, muchas gracias por estar aquí con nosotros y quisiera pedirles que no hay que celebrar nuestra herencia solamente este mes, solamente este año, pero sino todas nuestras vidas, porque eso es lo que nos hace la gran comunidad que somos. Muchas gracias por estar aquí con nosotros hoy.
Y mis cartas anteriores no sé si las recibiste.